Good morning, traders. What I want to talk to you about here today is how you can add trades to repair a trade that's not going your way. And what I'm looking at in here is SPY, SPY. And I've got the Analyze tab pulled up. Right here is the current market price at around 447. Okay, if you opened a trade selling, say, a put spread here for 35 cents credit, and this is going to expire in 3 days, very short time frame. And you sold the 439, bought the 436 for 35 cents. This is your profit graph. It shows a maximum profit of $35. And if it goes, market starts going down, you could have a loss of 265. Well, by adding a call spread above the market, you could turn this trade into an iron condor. And then possible, if it stays within your tent window here, possibility of 86 cents of profit. Okay, now let's say it's hanging right around 447 and it's not going anywhere. You could then buy a butterfly right at that strike and give you an increased profit tent with a possibility of $157. So that's how you can add trades and expand, I'll say recover on the fly and even expand the possibility of your profit window. Now, so that's just one way you can do it. There's also ways to add calendar trades, which can also increase your profit window. So, good luck to you.